No way!
Black shirt, green slash gray pants. Seen around Stones River RD. Call police at scene. Shelter in place and locked doors around Lake Forest Drive. BLK male suspect. Black shirt, green slash gray pants. Seen around Stones River RD. Call police at scene.
What the heck? What? Nina?
In Nashville at 4 p.m.
Here we go!
Shelter-in-place warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of Rutherford County EMA. Shelter-in-place and locked doors around Lake Forest Drive. BLK male suspect, black shirt, green gray pants. Seen around Stones River Road. Call police if seen. Shelter-in-place and locked doors around Lake Forest Drive. BLK male suspect, black shirt, green gray pants. Seen around Stones River Road. Call police if seen. Shelter-in-place